Today in this tech-savvy world where internet is widely used, people tend to buy everything under one roof from the online departmental stores and supermarkets. In this busy world, people hardly spend their time for self-care, and when it comes to food, it becomes more difficult. Everyone knows time is as precious as money. Even in this pandemic situation, going outside for buying groceries is dangerous. Had anyone thought of buying groceries online? So, what pop-ups to our mind when we think of buying groceries online? It's Big Basket, right? Yes. Even groceries and kitchen products are widely purchased online today, and buying groceries online from Big Basket not only saves time but also money. So, in this video, let us discuss more about the success story of Big Basket. Before we begin, welcome to Sridhar's Lab. The Chief Executive Officer of Big Basket, Hari Menon, comes with a vast experience in diverse fields. Prior to Big Basket, Mr. Menon was the CEO of India Skills, the vocational education joint venture of Manipal Groups with City and Guilds UK. An alumni of BITS, Pilani, Hari Menon also worked as the country head at Planetasia, one of India's first internet service businesses. The co-founder of Big Basket, V.S. Sudhakar, was the CEO of Planetasia. He has vast experience of working in the IT sector. V.S. Ramesh is the head of logistics and supply chain at Big Basket. An electronics engineering graduate from Karnataka University, V.S. Ramesh has over 21 years of experience in the Indian Navy handling operations and logistics. Vipul Parekh is the head of finance and marketing at Big Basket. Vipul is an alumni of IIM Bangalore and worked with People Capital, a leading private equity fund, as an investment director. He also worked as business development head in Wipro Infotech Groups. Abhinay Chowdhury is the head of new initiatives at Big Basket. Abhinay is an IIM Ahmedabad alumni. Besides working with leading IT companies like iGate and Infosys, Abhinay also founded StyleCountry.com, one of India's first online fashion retail stores. To operate and expand an online supermarket like Big Basket requires funds. But how did they mobilize funds? The company raised around $10 million in the first round of funding from Ascent Capital. By 2014, the company was growing massively in the three major cities, confirming over 5,000 orders every day. In March 2016, the company raised $150 million from Abras Capital in Series D funding. In the same year, the company also crossed the target of 10 million customers' orders and also received 1 million orders in a single month. By June 2017, the company raised around $290 million in total from 8 rounds of funding and 11 investors. In the same year, the company's most lucrative investors were Paytm and Alibaba, from whom the company raised $280 million in the Series E funding. Some of the investors who participated in the investment rounds of Big Basket are Bessemer Ventures, Helion, Zodius, Lion Rock Capital, and Meena Ganesh. Big Basket is India's largest online food and grocery store with over 18,000 products and over 1,000 brands, right from fresh fruits and vegetables, food grains, oil and masalas, bakery, cakes and dairy, beverages, snacks and branded foods, beauty and hygiene, cleaning and household, kitchen, garden and pets, eggs, meat and fish, gourmet and world food, baby care, etc. are available in the category. The very well known SRK, that is, Shah Rukh Khan, is the brand ambassador of Big Basket. Big Basket follows both inventory model and hyperlocal model. Under the inventory model, the company buys products from leading suppliers like P&G, HUL, mills, farmers, etc., stores the products in warehouses and supplies the same to the customers on order. While in case of perishable goods, they have tie-ups with local farmers and suppliers from whom they procure the goods as per order and supply the same to the customers. Under the hyperlocal model, Big Basket has tie-up with 2000 plus grocery stores across India to deliver products within 1 hour from the neighborhood. Coming on to the delivery part, we can choose to receive our order the same day in the 4:30 pm to 7 pm or 7:30 pm to 10 pm slot, or on any day onto 6 days from the date of placing the order. Currently, they offer 4 delivery slots in a day, that is 7 am to 9:30 am, 10 am to 12:30 am, 4:30 pm to 7 pm and 7:30 pm to 10 pm. Despite growing at an increasing rate, Big Basket faces cutthroat competition in the market. Major competitors are startups like Local Banya, Pepper Tap, and SoftBank funded Grofers. Though these players are acquiring strong market standing with the time, the company tends to stand fit and fine and win in the market with its large and ever increasing consumer base. Big Basket, which is the India's largest online supermarket, has become the proud recipient of 2 distinguished awards: Retail and E-commerce App of the Year at Your Stories, AWS Mobility Award 2017, and the Owlet 2017 Top Rated CEO Award for Hari Menon. In this busy world, people are so busy that they can't even invest time to purchase groceries. But Big Basket made a bit convenient flow of groceries to the doorstep of the customers. Big Basket offers a wide spectrum of products from fresh fruits and vegetables to kitchen appliances. Big Basket also allows people to choose time slots based on their convenience, and hence Big Basket is a notable name in India when it comes to online grocery shopping. Some of the big advantages of Big Basket are a speedy delivery, quality goods, reasonable price, they are reliable and provides free delivery too. Thus, Big Basket not only made our lives easy but made shopping of groceries too convenient and uncomplicated. It is also said that Big Basket is a homegrown brand and is people's favorite online grocery marketplace. In the year 1999, the founders initiated a platform called Fabmart.com, but it did not yield good results because of the poor ecosystem back then. In the year 2011, the same founders started Big Basket. By then, smartphone market was booming and also the ecosystem was also apt for e-commerce companies to operate. By then, most of the products were available except groceries. This paved way to the Big Basket's success, and that was their Eureka moment. Today, Big Basket has become India's largest online grocery store by receiving over 1 lakh orders per day. Online grocery shopping is fast gaining popularity among the Indians. According to the Redser report, India's online grocery retail market is all set to touch $10.5 billion by 2023. Big Basket is one of them and it holds a major share in this fast growing market. On 28 May 2021, Tata Sons has acquired a majority stake of 64.3% in Big Basket, putting the Indian conglomerate in a direct race with e-commerce players like Amazon, Walmart, Flipkart, and Reliance Industries. The stake was bought by Tata Digital Limited, a unit of Tata Sons. Big Basket has strong plans of retaining its post as the largest grocery delivery platform in India. So, the plan is to set up warehouses in all the 26 operating cities of India to bring down the delivery time to 3 hours. By 2022, the plan is to grow to 60,000 SKUs, that is, stock keeping units, and double the farm base to 5,000.